Namaskar. Today we will study about class 12th chapter number 11 biotechnology principles and process. What is biotechnology? If we try to understand etymology of biotechnology, we will see there are three parts. First one is bio, second one is techno, third one is logy. Bio means life, techno means art, skills, methods. Logy means study of. What does bio means? Bio means something which is living things. Techno means art, skills, methods. Arts means making new things, new design of genes for desirable characteristics, skills like a new acquired way for making further new things. Methods means systematic procedure or process. So in techno, we can say we deal with making of new vaccine and recombinant DNA. So we make new vaccine which is safe and recombinant DNA through innovative ways. And in logy we deal with to study. Logy means to study. It means here we are talking about study of life through innovative ways, and in fact study of natural behavior of organism cells to efficiently utilize them for mankind. Biotechnology is an offshoot of modern biology, as it developed from integration of biology and technology. Biotechnology deals with the techniques of using live organisms or enzymes from organisms to produce products process useful to mankind. So we can say in biotechnology we use life for life with the help of technology. So we can see biotechnology deals with micro-mediated process, for example making of curd, bread or wine. Here we are talking about making of curd, bread or wine. Curd, the preparation of curd requires a lactobacillus bacteria and other commonly called lactic acid bacteria. A small amount of curd added into milk as inoculum, which contain millions of lactic acid bacteria. Now these bacteria produce acids that coagulate and partially digest the milk proteins and form curd. Second one is genetically modified organism. Some benefit of genetically engineering in agriculture are increased crop yields, improved nutrients, composition and food quality, resistance to pests and disease, greater food security, reduced cost for food or drugs productions, health benefits, and many more. Third one is other techniques: in vitro fertilization, test tube baby, synthesizing a gene and using it, developing a DNA vaccine, or correcting a defective gene. In vitro means a process or reaction taking place in a glass tube or dish, not inside a living body. You can watch detailed video about all these three topics in which biotechnology deals with from the link provided in the description or in the playlist, as all these videos have already been uploaded. Now, who coined term biotechnology? Term biotechnology was coined by Carl Icke, who is a Hungarian scientist. In his book Biotechnology der Fleisch, Fit and Milchers gang im Landwirtschaftlichen Großbetrieb, which is in English biotechnology of meat, fat and milk production in an agriculture large scale farm in 1917. If we try to understand name of book in English word by word, then biotechnology is means biotechnology. Der means of, flesh means meat, fit and means fat, and milchers means milk production, im means in, Landwirtschaftlichen means agriculture, Großbetrieb means large scale farm. The term biotechnology is defined by various organizations, and most acceptable definition is of EFB. EFB means the European Federation of Biotechnology. EFB defined biotechnology is integrated use of biochemistry, microbiology, and engineering science in order to achieve technological industrial applications of capabilities of microorganisms, culture tissue, cells and parts thereof. So this definition covers modern and traditional view of biotechnology. This definition covers large scale and small scale industries. It means biotechnology is integrated natural science, organism, cell and its part in order to get any product and services. Biotechnology basically help to improve standard of healthcare and serve human beings so that everyone can get benefit. So biotechnology deals with natural and innovative techniques, skills, behavior of the organism, its cells and parts, by the organism, its cells and parts, for the organism, its cells and parts to nurture Mother Nature, Earth and human beings. Let us try to understand biotechnology further with the help of Schema Chart. Biotechnology deals with natural and innovative techniques, skills, behavior of the organism, its cells and parts, for the organism, its cells and part, by the organism, its cells and parts, to nurture and benefit of Mother Nature, Earth, human beings and mankind. So we can see that biotechnology deals with natural and innovative things. So what it would be? Natural and innovative things would be techniques, skills, behavior. Techniques, it's like genetic engineering, and in skills we can say to handle things and all stuffs in laboratories. Behavior of we can say behavior of organism, cells, DNA and any amino acid, and these all techniques, skills, behavior are of the organism, for the organism and by the organism. All right, so whose techniques, skills and behavior, these of the organism, its cells and parts. Basically it is of the organism, like human beings, scientists, biotechnologists, bacterial cell, all its parts, we can say any part of them. All of them show different kind of natural and innovative techniques, skills and behavior, which ultimately leads to production of a safe vaccine, any products. Next, for whom they are doing all these things, again for same human beings, organism, it is for the organism. It means all these natural and innovative techniques, skills and behavior are for organism, like for the production of we can say vaccine, antibiotics and gene therapy, and all these product service are for treatment of human beings. And we can also say to produce genetically modified crops, GM crops, genetically modified crops, to feed growing population of human beings. We can also get desirable plant species with antibacterial or antifungal and characteristics, and many more desirable characteristics. And next question, who is dealing with it? Again same organism, it is by the organism, its cells and parts. For example, if we want to transfer one gene from one cell to another cell, we need a vector to transfer that gene, and we use plasmid vector in the laboratory to introduce a DNA of interest into a host cell. So we need a vector to transfer various kind of desirable gene in plant or animal cells to get desirable characteristics in one species. So we can say that all these things are doing by the vector biotechnologies, cells and its parts. Alright, why we are doing this? We are doing this to nurture and benefit of our mother nature and earth and human beings. Everything should lead to positive outcome to nurture our nature, and consequence of biotechnology should not be negative and should not cause any catastrophic risks to our ecosystem. All this should help to benefit human beings and mankind. It should not cause any kind of biological war, and it should focus on positive constructive mechanism to save earth, its environment and human beings. Thank you.